Hello everyone, this is Somya and you're watching the Global Tales. Today in this video, I'm going to share 3 easy weight loss snacks that will help you lose your weight. You can binge on these snacks whenever you feel hungry. These will give you appropriate amount of protein, carbs and fats and will make you full at that particular time. So beginning with the snack 1, that is peanut chaat. Peanut are a handful sources of plant-based protein, fiber and many other vitamins and minerals. For this peanut chaat, the recipe is quite simple. Take handful amount of peanut that are boiled, 1 chopped tomato and 1 chopped onion and half lemon. So first we are going to add half lemon to the peanuts, then 1 tomato, and then we are going to add the chopped onion. Then we are going to add half tablespoon of black salt. We are not using the normal salt, we are using black salt. You can also use pink salt here. And half tablespoon of red chili powder. You can have it according to your taste. I like it to be spicy. You can also add coriander or green chili in it. Mix it well and your peanut chaat is ready. Peanuts have a very good nutritional profile. They are a healthful source of fats, protein and fiber and also provide many other B vitamins because of being high in calories in a very small quantity and feel full, and you will not binge on anything that's unhealthy. It is a good source of protein for vegetarians and yes, it is very tasty as well. So the second snack that will make you lose your weight will be oatmeal. Oats are highly rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, full of antioxidants and will give your body that fullness after having it, so that you don't end up consuming more calories than regular and hence you lose weight. This recipe is quite tasty and you can have it at any time of the day. Also, it is a fat burning dessert. So yes, it's very tasty and very simple to make as well. So for the recipe, you just need to take about 2 cups of rolled oats. Then we are going to soak it with about half a cup of milk. Then we are going to add about handful amount of almonds and walnuts. Then 4 to 5 dates. Dates act as a natural sweetener here because we are not adding any sugar to this. And then we are going to simply add some more oats. Some handful amount of sesame seeds. And then we are going to simply close the lid and freeze it in a freezer overnight. Next morning it's ready to eat. It's very tasty, full of nutrition. A bowl full of fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids and everything all together, tasty and healthy at the same time. Now snack 3, the last but not the least snack that's super tasty, is peanut butter roll. So this is something that you all will love because it's a very tasty recipe and is packed with fats, proteins and very less carbohydrate. So here we are taking 1 wheat chapati. You can use a multigrain chapati as well. I would prefer to go with the multigrain chapati or chapati made of buckwheat. Then we are going to simply add some peanut butter. And then we are going to add 1 banana. We are going to just top it with slices of banana. And then we are going to top it with half tablespoon of sesame seeds. You can even add chia seeds here. Then we are going to simply roll it in form of roll, and your peanut butter banana roll is ready. It's super tasty and very healthy. Now this can be used as your pre-workout snack or in any of your meals. Full of nutrition, packed with full of protein, fats. You can also top it with chocolate sauce if you want. I like it this way, but yes, definitely you are adding some more calories by adding this chocolate sauce, so it's just up according to your wish and your choice. This chocolate sauce will definitely give it an extra taste, but have it only if you want it, or if you can balance it. So these simple snacks were full of nutrition, will definitely help you in your weight loss journey. Try it for yourself, and if you like it, don't forget to give the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell along for regular health and fitness related videos. So yes, I'll see you soon. Bye bye, stay fit, stay happy.